Welcome to our dashcam showdown. Today, we're diving into a detailed comparison of two impressive dash cameras. The BuySmart J07, a triple-channel system offering 2.5K resolution, and the Yonvim DC339CT, a dual-channel dashcam with 1080p rear recording. We'll explore their features, including night vision capabilities, parking modes, and storage options to see which one stands out as the better choice for your vehicle's safety. Let's get started. Both dashcams offer high-quality video recording, but they differ in their resolution capabilities. The BuySmart J07 features a 2.5K resolution for the front camera and a 1440p resolution for the interior camera, ensuring comprehensive coverage and clarity. In contrast, the Yonvim DC339CT provides a 2.5K resolution for the front, but only 1080p for the rear, which may limit the detail captured in rear recordings. This difference could be crucial for users needing high-definition footage from all angles. When it comes to storage, the Yonvim DC339CT has a clear advantage. It includes a 64GB SD card and supports up to 256GB, allowing for extended recording without the worry of overwriting footage. On the other hand, the BuySmart J07 comes with a smaller 32GB card and supports a maximum of 128GB. This means users of the BuySmart may need to upgrade their storage sooner, especially when utilizing all three cameras. Both dashcams feature night vision capabilities, but they utilize different technologies. The BuySmart J07 is equipped with dedicated IR lights for clear interior footage in complete darkness, making it ideal for rideshare drivers. Meanwhile, the Yonvim DC339CT boasts super night vision technology, enhancing visibility for external recordings in low light. Depending on your primary use case, one may be more suitable than the other. In conclusion, both the BuySmart J07 and the Yonvim DC339CT offer unique advantages tailored to different user needs. The BuySmart J07 excels in providing comprehensive coverage with its triple-channel system, while the Yonvim DC339CT impresses with its superior storage capacity and larger display. Consider your specific requirements, such as whether you need interior footage or extended storage, to make the best choice for your vehicle. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.